This is one of the best videos of the whole Ukrainian war that shows attack on Russian armor. This is filmed during a Russian counterattack in Donetsk region. See the coordinated work of Ukrainian anti-tank and drone crew that decimated the whole Russian unit. This are the remains of Russian column that tried to escape from Lyman.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.